I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week on Makeup Wednesday, I am doing a Christmas party inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. So obviously I have a new light and a new setup. Well, not the background setup, but what's behind the camera, or more correctly, what's underneath the camera. That's what's the different setup. I got my vanity. Well, it's not like the ones on Instagram. This is more vintage than that. So I'm still using a small mirror, but now I actually have something to put the camera on and I don't have to put my mirror on my lap while I'm doing my makeup. So hopefully this will be better and make the videos better so that you can actually see better what I'm doing. I know I say better a lot, but hopefully this is better. So I want to do a Christmas party makeup, and when I say party, I just want to dress it up a little bit. Now, if you want to dress this down, definitely you can do that, and you don't have to use these exact colors that I'm using, meaning if you don't have the palette, you can easily find another palette with a similar color. It doesn't have to be exact. Me dropping makeup. And so what I want to start with is an all over the lid color, just because I was contemplating whether to do my outer color first and then add the all over the lid color later, just because I know I want sparkle because it is a Christmas party makeup look. But then I was like, no, I need a color underneath the glitter, so that is why I'm doing a color all over my lid. I want to go in with something that isn't necessarily Christmas red, but it is a bright red. So I want to go in with the Makeup Revolution's Constellation, one of my favorite palettes. And I want to go in with Jupiter right here. And I want to apply that all over my lid. So I just want to take a flat brush like this one and apply that all over. Now you want to take the exact same color and the same brush and then go on the lower lash, and you want to go about halfway on the inner corner and out. Now, because this has a really red, glittery eyeliner kind of look, I want to bring it down a little bit naturally. So instead of putting dark red in the outer corners of my eye, I want to do a darker brown that has red in it, so it's a warm brown. I want to use the same palette, the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I'm going in with the Universal right here. And I'm using a round brush. And I'm just taking that in the outer corners of my eyes and then bringing it forward in my crease, but only in my crease, and then just angling it on the outer corner. And when I'm done with that, I'm gonna bring it down and meet the red I already have right here. So now you know the process. Now I want to take my blender brush, and I'm just going to be using the one from Essence, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna blend out this color so that it looks more faded. Now is the fun part because we get to put on glitter, and I have two different glitters here, or well, I have one glitter eyeshadow and another glitter palette, and I think I want to try the glitter eyeshadow first, just because the glitter that I have that has red in it, it's a little bit on the darker side, so I want to try the glitter from the eyeshadow first and see if that gives me the desired look that I want. For that, I'm going to be going with the W7's Socialite palette, and I'm going with this one right here called Blue Blood. And I'm taking the flat brush from before. I already wiped off any excess that is on there, and I just want to dab the glitter on the lighter red right here just to give it that nice shimmer, and I want to make sure I dab. Now I'm going in with my liquid eyeliner, and I'm doing the Dipliner ink by H&M, and it looks like this. If you want to know how I do my eyeliner, I will try and link up here the eyeliner tutorial that I have, and that's basically the eyeliner that I do always. So my eyeliner and my hands are not cooperating today, but it's a thicker eyeliner, especially on the ends, than I normally go for, but it still works. We're gonna roll with it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on, and it's this little thing that I am waving around, and it's the Maybelline's the Colossal, and it looks like that. And I'm going to be putting this on my upper and lower lashes because I want a dramatic Christmas look. So then I just want to take a eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to be using this one. It doesn't actually have a brand name, so I'm going to be putting this on my upper lash or my upper waterline, and then on half on the outer corner of my lower lash. And then what I want to do is finish it off with a setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and use Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix, and it looks like this. If there, yeah. And I just like to dab it in, but you don't have to. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like, the Christmas party inspired makeup look. That is all I have for you today, and I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please leave a like down below. And if you have any questions or recommendations or anything like that, then leave a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a new video. Now, I upload my makeup I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. With that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!